Okay guys, this is the car I came in, and I'm going back in. He's just taking it out for a warm-up. Okay guys, just changed spots, so I'm overhead. Okay, so I'm gonna get some overhead stuff, you guys, so enjoy. 70 by 200 mil. Okay guys, my friend Sean with his GT3 RS, his friend bought this 720. Unbelievable. Let's check out the 720. Just met the owner of these McLaren 720. Oh, you can see the red or the purple in the
car's
in the paint.
Yeah.
This is Brian, you guys. Say hi. This is my friend Brian. We just met today. This is his beautifully spec'd 720 with the maroon interior. Absolutely perfect, man.
Thanks so much.
And you also have an Aston Martin as well?
Aston Martin Vantage, yeah.
And sorry, can I ask you your business, like how...
yeah, I have a KROWN Rust Control Center.
Okay.
Here in Clarington.
Okay.
And I buff and polish cars. We do some mechanical, but our main business is rust proofing.
Wow. And you, like, well, so how long have you had this now?
This I've had it a year and a half now.
Wow. And have you ever taken it on track yet?
No, I haven't taken it on the track yet.
No. Would you though?
I might.
Yeah?
I haven't thought about it.
I mean, it's the fastest car under $1 million. I mean, I would take it out on track.
Yeah, it's pretty good that way.
It's absolutely perfect. Like, it's just like, it's unbelievable, man. What made you, sorry, what made you choose the color? Like, is it just like red?
Well, I had an orange 650 Spider before this.
Okay.
And I love the car. And then when this one was available in this quartz color, I like that. So I traded in the 650 at McLaren.
Wow.
Bought this one.
It's unbelievable, man. Have you had it at top speed? You must know.
No. Not yet. But we get to the speed limit in just under 3 seconds.
Wow. Wow. So I mean, this basically beats a Tesla off the line in my mind.
It's pretty fast, yeah.
Right. Wow, man. Well, thank you for doing this, man. Thank you so much. And I have his information. I'll put it in the description if you guys need rust protection for your cars. And this is his beautiful McLaren 720, you guys. So I took some B-roll of it, and we'll see that in the video. Okay, you guys.
Thanks so much.